So right after being baited to anicom twice, you see the video here by the way, I've been baited to do something else. Where the hell are we?
Good question. We're gonna go to see fuel tanks.
Yeah, we're going to see fuel tanks.
To see the fuel tanks.
Yeah, I'm going plain spotting this time. Now they don't have 2 doors.
When it's morning. We narrow it down.
Good evening. No shot.
Actually, do 1 door off there. 1 door off.
1 door off.
We narrowed it down at least.
Hey, this is a keychain documentary. Oh wait, where did you get this? It looks so cool.
Official Piccolo store. Miguel, we're waiting for this.
I'm the 11th grader.
Well, how about no? It's rubbing 30 minutes.
I don't care, we're waiting.
By the time we finish McDonald's will be done.
Time to go to Cafe de Coral Steak Review.
Yes.
No, we go for lunch.
What is this game obsession?
What is not looking at the board?
Yeah, pepper lunch is so good. Oh my god.
It's so good. Oh my
Gives you food
god.
poisoning every other time you
You don't like
eat
it.
it.
Adrian, is it you problem?
Oh my god, that's so not 20th century.
Miguel, we're not in the 20th century.
21st century. Oh my god, that's so last minute.
This is a point of bring us Our first big step was 7 of the day.
Wow. Looks like
No, bus. No, 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 no. No! No! The bus killed all of my tracking, dude. What the hell are we unboxing today?
HD 681 Evos. Got them off Tabo for, I don't know, how much is this? $30 US? They're what, like $60 US on Amazon, I don't know. Packaging is decent for like how much this costs. No one cares. I don't know why there's German. I guess they just wanted to make this look really audiophile and shit, yeah. Nothing cool, nothing snazzy, just the headphones.
I mean, the old ones, they came in a plastic bag, so like, it's really like an upgrade.
Okay. Spare, yeah, earpads.
They come with spare earpads, what the fuck?
Yeah, decent. Cable, I don't know what this is for. Wait, oh, it comes in an extender, poggers. Then you have this nice pouch. This is literally $30 US and they give you this much. Good value, eh?
It comes with like, oh my lord.
Is that a 2.5 to 3.5 adapter?
6. What is this?
Wait, I don't know,
No wait,
whatever.
6.5, right? Whatever, 6.5.
God damn. First impressions, this is really plasticky. But I mean, I don't expect much.
I'd say it looks nice for like
yeah, they
30
look
30
decent.
USD.
They don't have any edges whatsoever, but the headband looks fine. The padding will probably die in 2 weeks, but whatever. Okay,
It's 30 USD, yeah.
the fit isn't very good.
Okay.
The pads aren't thick enough. The pressing against my ears. They're really light.
How light? Wait. What the? They're actually really light.
Because they're plastic, but whatever.
Does it have sound? That's the most important part.
It does indeed have sound.
Alright. How do they sound then?
They sound like they haven't been burnt in. Too much noise for me to actually tell. At the moment, they sound alright. The bass is there. they are the Evos, whatever.
I mean, yeah, you gotta burn them in, so like,
Yeah, I've
the
got to burn
bass,
them in so the bass is boomier.
you just got like ear exploder 9000 overnight, and it should be fine. These have soundstage, what the hell?
They do have soundstage.
These are actually really good for the price, I'd say. It's
That's assuming you get it at tab-out price.
But like, they're really bassy.
Well, I mean, you can't tell much of
Actually, I take that back, they have tons of sibilants, but it might be pre-burn in. It feels hard though, the sound feels really hard.
Pre-burn in.
Like,
well, this area is
pre-burn
really
in, and it really
noisy,
sounds
so you
pretty
can't
good.
really tell much about detail.
Yeah. Let's watch a siege video on this.
Hey.
4K. Oh, not 4K. Imagine not having 4K. Oh, yes. Reverse sounds.
I'm actually gonna like fuck up this camera.
What?
This is yours, right? Like yours.
Yeah, both these are mine.
Oh shit. Can I help you film?
Okay.
Can I have your glasses and help you film?
Oh, yeah.
This is my raw impression. Oh, it's recording. What the hell? Okay.
We are. I'm vlogging right now. Hello. John. It's fine. I'm not putting this on YouTube, it's so bad.
This is so cringe.
This is a dumpster fire. Can't leave the school because there's black rain. Do you agree, John?
Why the rain gotta be black, man? Huh? Who said that?
Like for real though, okay. This is the lightest it's been in like 5 hours because but yeah, the rain's pretty heavy. It was heavier. But the point is we can't leave the school. So how are we gonna leave the school?
Realistically, I don't think.
And here's TF2 Skywalker. He's going up. Actually? Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, John? We're kind of screwed.
So, like, my legs are completely white.
Yeah, fair, same.
My parents still have to come at the gate.
Yeah, we should just wait for a bit.
You guys have food?
Do they have food? I think it's such a mess. I don't even know if my bus is coming. I'm not gonna call my bus driver, so that's my way out gone.
You have your bus driver's number?
Used to, then he left.
Oh no.
I have a new bus driver, which changes every other week, so it doesn't matter.
Oh, that's bad. Yes.
They have chalky milk or what?
Cookies.
CCMA? What do they have?
Oh, those butter cookies.
What are you getting? Butter cookies?
I'm getting butter cookies. Fuck you.
And it's on discount.
Promotion? No way. Yeah, that's where I set up. No, oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Thank you, John. John, you're not funny.
Any further, I'm probably gonna get in trouble.
That is so funny. Stop it.
Okay, fine.
That is really funny.
My mom is calling, let's go.
Dude, we literally can't go. Stan's just here, like. Stan. At school?
I'm here until 9.
Dude, this is actually so scuffed. It's still raining. Holy shit.
It's still red.
Oh, the sky. What was I thinking? Thanks, Danny. Think.
You and my mom asked, do I need to come pick you up? And I'm like,
Don't
I
bother.
can't even drive. You can't even drive, man.
Just order some stuff off Amazon for me. Need like bed sheets and pillows.
And he's like, what you can do is order me some bed sheets and some pillows on Amazon. I swear to God, at this rate, you're actually gonna be here for 5 nights.
Yeah. Yippee, Stan!
Let's go!
We're saved!
Let's go!
Let's go! We're actually saved.
Actually saved.
Actually saved.
Actually saved.
So fun. Yo! Me and the boys having fun in Ocean Park.
Yeah.
This is actually not scream on the roller coaster and then scream when we get home.
And when we're lining up, we're screaming.
Yeah. No. Scream when we get off. It's like once we step out, we're like, ah!
I dare you, let's do that.
Yeah, we should actually do that.
Yeah, it's like when we're getting off, it's like,
Yeah, we're just lagging in real life.
and then when people ask us what the hell we're doing, we're like, oh, sorry, my internet is lagging.
Yeah, ping issue.
Sorry, I have bad ping.
Lads, we're leaving Ocean Park. How was it?
Very fun. It was so fun.
Oh my god!
Yay!
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Subscribe to OPGuyK.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're doing an IEM testing. Okay, bye.